Okay, let's look at this one now. This is same lesson, lesson 6. And now we're on to question 15, which really what they're looking for on this one is they're trying to get you to realize current flow. So we're going to go through them where all these green lines are. We're going to show how much current's going. Now let's start at the top. It's the easiest part. We have 8 amps flowing here because there's nowhere else for it to go. Essentially, it's like a series circuit. 8 amps flowing there. There's nowhere else for it to go. So, as we're coming up through here, we also have to feed this. So, what has to be going through here? 8 plus 3. 11 amps. That's what has to be going through there. Now D, we're looking at this part right here. There's a difference here though, between these two that are flowing. But for first, let's hit C out there first. E. Let's do E out here first. 8 and 6, it's going to be 14 amps we got flowing there. So we have more current coming through here than here. So there's an imbalance that's going to be carried. What's the imbalance going to be? The difference between these two. So we're looking at 3 amps there, is what's going to be flowing on that part of the neutral. So next, let's see what's flowing out through here. Pretty straightforward for the most part. And that one's F on your homework. So it's an additional 2 amps flowing up. You know it's got to go up that way. 13 amps. How about on the other side? H on your sheet. We got 5, 14, so we got 19 amps are going to be flowing up that side, which is going to leave us an imbalance on this neutral. What's the difference? Just right there it is. 19 minus 13, 6 amps. That's what's going to be flowing on the neutral. It's always going to carry the imbalance. That whole problem, really, that's what they're looking for there, is to see that you realize where this is. They haven't started breaking it apart yet, which, if you did the homework, you'll find out that's exactly where they're going with this stuff. It starts showing you some funny numbers and weird stuff happening, which we'll talk a little bit more about it when we get to that point, about what would happen in like a house or in a building when the neutral breaks. You get weird voltages. So, that's lesson 6, number 15.